Hello everyone, most welcome to Sri-Nilachalkitchen. Today we making paneer bread pakoda. Let's see it.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to.
The thickness of the batter should be this much.
But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never.
Mix the potatoes well so that there is no lumps.
Turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go. You could take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. sky.